Do you struggle with sugar cravings? You're not alone. It's a universal challenge, one that many of us grapple with daily. The allure of sugary treats is hard to resist, and they often become a stumbling block on the path to a healthy lifestyle. Sugar cravings aren't just about willpower. They're a complex issue, tied to our biology and our environment. It's a dance between our brain's desire for a reward and our body's need for quick energy. But don't fret. It's a dance we can learn to lead. In this video, we're going to tackle sugar cravings head-on. We'll be diving into 5 straightforward tips to help you curb that sweet tooth and maintain a healthier lifestyle. From proper hydration to understanding the role of natural sugars, regular exercise, a balanced diet, and the importance of quality sleep, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some practical and easy steps that can help you conquer your sugar cravings. First up, let's talk about hydration. Maintaining a well-hydrated body is crucial for overall health, but did you know it can also be a secret weapon against sugar cravings? Often our bodies confuse thirst for hunger, leading us to reach for that sugary snack when all we really need is a refreshing glass of water. So, next time that sweet tooth kicks in, remember, a simple glass of water might just be the key to maintaining your healthy lifestyle and fending off those pesky sugar cravings. Moving on to our second tip, consider opting for natural sugars. Natural sugars, found abundantly in fruits, are an excellent way to curb those pesky sugar cravings. They not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also provide essential nutrients and fiber that refined sugar lacks. Take for instance the humble apple. It's sweet, crunchy, and packed with beneficial fiber and vitamins. Or how about a juicy ripe mango? Its natural sweetness can make you forget about that candy bar in no time. The trick here is to incorporate fruits into your regular diet. Start your day with a fruit-filled breakfast, swap out those midday snacks with a handful of berries, or end your dinner with a slice of watermelon. Remember, these natural sugars are a friend to your body. They provide energy, help maintain your body's functions, and are easier to metabolize. By choosing fruits over processed sweets, you're taking a great step towards a healthier lifestyle. Our third tip is about the role of regular exercise. It's a well-known fact that physical activity contributes significantly to maintaining overall health. But did you know it can also be a powerful ally in your fight against sugar cravings? That's right. Regular exercise helps regulate your body's insulin response, which in turn reduces the desire for sweet treats. Now you might be thinking, I don't have time to hit the gym every day. No worries, there are plenty of easy and effective exercises you can do right at home. Walking, jogging, yoga, or even dancing to your favorite tunes can do the trick. The key is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine not only boosts your energy and mood, but also curbs those pesky sugar cravings. Remember, regular exercise is not just good for your body, but it can also help you manage those pesky sugar cravings. Our final tips revolve around having a balanced diet and getting quality sleep. Now, a balanced diet is not just about eating healthy food, but it's about maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Incorporating a mix of proteins, fats, and complex carbohydrates in your meals can help keep your blood sugar levels steady, which in turn reduces sugar cravings. From vegetables and lean meats to whole grains, there are countless nutritious options that feed your body without feeding your sugar cravings. Next, let's talk about sleep. It might surprise you, but a good night's sleep can significantly affect our appetite and sugar cravings. Studies have shown that lack of sleep can increase the desire for sugary snacks. So, ensuring you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is not just good for your overall health, but it's a key player in your fight against sugar cravings. So keep your diet balanced, get some good sleep, and watch those sugar cravings diminish. And there you have it, 5 easy tips to beat those sugar cravings and move towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, hydration, natural sugars, regular exercise, a balanced diet, and quality sleep are your secret weapons. Overcoming sugar cravings is gradual, but each small step brings you closer to a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and check the description for more information. Remember, a healthier lifestyle is just a few steps away. Thanks for watching.